Hello friends, I am Stravana and welcome to my channel Sparkling Future. Today we will see how to create a Hive table in Spark SQL using Scala. Before starting with today's topic, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel and provide your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. So in today's video, we will see how to create a Hive table from the Spark itself, which means no need to log into the Beeline or Hive shell. Directly from the Spark job itself, you can code using the Scala and you can create a Hive table, and even you can update, you can perform all the partition by all the operations from the Spark job itself. So let's look into some sample code to see how we can do all these operations in Hive from Spark job itself. So friends, this is the sample code that we are going to discuss today. So I have created one object, Scala object, defined main method. This property is set for resolving winutils.exe exception, and created the Spark session, and here I am writing the like I am creating a table in Hive. So if you see, hope you all know Hive already, so I am assuming that so that directly I am just explaining the command here. Create table if not exists. This is the database name and Hive table name. These are the parameters, which is schema. Then row format delimited and fields terminated by comma. I am using a CSV file, hence I have taken it as comma. Then in the location you have to mention in your local machine Spark warehouse and store the sample CSV or whatever data you are going to load, right, sample data there. As I am creating external table, I am directly passing here in the location itself. If you are trying to get hands on, then try to create internal table and then try to add the load in path command. Similarly, after the create table, in the next spark.sql you add the load in path and give the file name path there. So you can try that out. And then I am saying select star from the database name and the Hive table that we just created, and I'm saying show. Then this is the command spark.catalog.list tables.show. This is the command used for checking what all tables available in the given database in Hive. If you don't provide any database here, it will list all the tables available from all the databases. So friends, before start executing this code, I just wanted to highlight this option here, this dot enable Hive support. This is very important for performing any Hive operations from Spark jobs during creation of the Spark session. Currently I have commented that I will show you what kind of exception we get it, and then we will see how after enabling how the exception is resolved. So friends, as discussed, so from the analysis exception, Hive support is required to create the Hive table. So if you don't give this function, if you don't use this function, you get such kind of exception. So this is very important for performing Hive operations from the Spark job. And also here I have taken a simple create table command, right? If you wanted to have partitioning and bucketing in the Hive table, then you have to enable. This is the way we can set the configuration for creating buckets and sorting and partitions. So this way you can set, then you add partition by code here, and you can run the code for creating a Hive table with partitions and with buckets. Even for bucket by, you can say there is an option in the write mode itself in spark.write.bucket by. There is an option, you can use that as well for creating the buckets in Hadoop. So let me run this code. I have enabled this Hive support, and you can try with partition by and provide your feedback in the comment section if you are facing any issues. So let's run this code to see how it looks like. So if you see here, first we are doing SQL select star from the table name, right? Select star from default emp Hive table, and then we are printing the all the available databases tables under this default database. So first it has printed the table values, and then there are two tables available in the default database, and you can see, right, both are external tables. So this is how we will list the tables from Hive, and also we can create and we can read the Hive table using the Spark jobs. Hope this is clear, friends. If you have any questions, post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting learnings. Thank you.